Fuse Angular 7 Plus. Powerful and professional admin template for web applications, CRM, CMS, admin panels and more. Fuse is a great Kickstarter. With the included apps and pages, Fuse is a great Kickstarter for your next project. Don't lose any time trying to design or structure your pages. Pick one and start coding your logic right away. Fuse is a learning source. With well-commented and structured source code, whether a beginner or a seasoned Angular developer, you will find something interesting in Fuse. Flexible template layouts. With flexible template layouts, it's very easy to have different layouts per route. This makes extremely easy to create and have simple and complex layouts together like a login page or a Scrum board app. Ready-to-use page layouts. Every page in Fuse Angular uses one of the pre-built, ready-to-use page layouts, making it extremely easy to switch out individual page designs or creating a new one. It also makes your pages consistent across your app. An ever-growing number of application examples. Fuse comes with a variety of different application examples that are built close to the real-world examples. From Scrum board to mailbox, contacts to to-do app, you will get working applications to speed up the development. Ready-to-use page designs. Fuse Angular comes with a variety of different page designs that are built to speed up your development. From login to pricing, invoice to the profile page, you will get beautifully designed pages with Fuse Angular. Other features. Please note that not all the features are available on all versions of Fuse. Fuse Angular has lots of differences with other Fuse versions as they have different structures and use cases. Carefully check the demo and